The MilliSentials Lab Labeling System software is designed for use with the MilliSentials Lab Adaptable Labels. These labels are custom designed to have two horizontal perforations that split one full-sized label into three smaller labels. These perforations allow one label size to adapt to many different kinds of vessels that are commonly used in the lab, as guided by the MilliSentials Lab templates that are built into the software. Templates are designed to limit the printable area to avoid covering text when applied and include text boxes and barcodes that are perfectly aligned to avoid misprints. Further, they have been validated for use with the recommended barcode scanners. The labels have been tested for compatibility with common laboratory chemicals and at various temperatures from -196 degrees Celsius to 37 degrees Celsius for up to 1 year. They can also be autoclaved and exposed to boiling water. Create a user profile. It is strongly recommended to create a user profile before creating and printing labels. From Home, click User Account. Click Create Profile and populate the required fields. Personalize if desired. When finished, press Save. Edit profile anytime using Profile Settings from the main menu. Connect to your Gen 1 or Gen 2 printer. Select Printer Settings from Main menu. If your printer is connected using a USB cable, then select the printer name. If your printer is connected using Wi-Fi or Ethernet, select Network Printer and enter the printer's IP address exactly how it appears on the screen. Click Update. Access all software functions from the home screen. From Home, select New Label. The default is Blank Label. The Label Editor screen will open. This is the label working space where labels can be edited, saved, and printed. It shows a preview of the MilliSentials Lab Adaptable Label with white printable working area and gray non-printable working area. Perforation indicators are provided as a guide for alignment and are not printed. Now, edit your label. Use the Insert submenu to add text boxes, icons, 1D barcodes, and 2D barcodes. Double-click in a text box to add new text. 1D barcodes are available in horizontal and vertical formats, while 2D barcodes are available in small and large formats. Quick element features allow users to add information with a single click, such as current date, randomized serial, and symbols. These can be added as their own text boxes or within a string of text and are indicated by brackets, which are not printed. Move, align, and resize text and objects. Make sure to keep text and objects within the white printable working area. Objects outside of the printable area will be marked with a yellow notification. Select Print Quantity. Press Print. MilliSentials Lab templates are predefined templates built into the software designed to limit the printable area of a label. This helps to avoid covering text when applied onto their recommended laboratory vessels. Lab templates include text boxes and barcodes perfectly aligned to avoid misprints and have been validated for use with the recommended barcode scanners. Lab templates are meant to optimize printing for certain laboratory vessels. They help to minimize misprints, misalignment, and other mistakes that can be made during printing. The key features of the lab templates are no need to format, tested and validated for specific lab vessels, click, type, and print format, locked text boxes and objects. To create a MilliSentials Lab template, select Lab Templates from Home. Scroll to choose the desired lab template from the Lab Templates list, arranged by laboratory vessel size. Click on the thumbnail to open it in the label workspace. For details on using MilliSentials Lab templates and more, refer to the full user guide. A label can be saved in order to be accessed later. To save a label, choose Save from the Label toolbar. There are two ways to save a label. First, save to the My Labels list, which is only accessible by the user profile which made the label. Second, save a label to the Shared Labels list. This list is accessible, and thus editable, to all user profiles. Access a saved label by choosing My Labels from Home. Access a shared label in the same way by going to the Shared Labels tab. There are several functions available for labels saved to the My Labels list, including search, delete, rename, or copy. For more information on each of these functions, refer to the full user guide. The Recent Labels list to the right of the home screen is a chronological list of all the most recently worked on labels by the user profile that is logged in. Simply click on a recent label to open the label in the label workspace. A label does not have to be saved in order for it to appear on the Recent Labels list. However, it is always recommended to save a label to My Labels or Shared Labels if there is a chance that it will be used at a later date to avoid losing data. A label may be exported so it can be applied to an external program, such as an electronic lab notebook. To export a label into an image or PDF format, select Export from the Label toolbar. Use File Navigator to choose the location and file name. Press Save. For more details about label toolbar functions, such as Load Label, which can transfer existing data into a new lab template or My Label, refer to the full user guide. The MilliSentials Lab Labeling System software offers both 1D and 2D barcodes. For 1D barcodes, also known as linear barcodes, the software offers the code 128 subtype. To add a 1D barcode, use the Insert submenu. Choose from horizontal or vertical formats. Once placed, select the 1D barcode to enter information in the text box under the Insert submenu. Random numbers can be a useful feature to add to 1D barcodes. Use the Features submenu to add a random number. Choose the number of characters and whether the data is numerical only or can include letters. Once finished, click Generate 1D. The barcode will go from gray to black in the label preview. For more details about 1D barcodes, including how they work, when it is best to use them, and character counts, refer to the full user guide. For 2D barcodes, the software offers the QR code subtype. These are advantageous for when more information has to be stored within the barcode. To add a 2D barcode, use the Insert submenu. Choose between small or large formats. Once placed, select the barcode to enter information in the text box under the Insert submenu. When finished, click Generate 2D. The barcode will go from gray to black in the label preview. 2D barcodes have the advantage of being able to fit considerably more data and information than 1D barcodes because they store information in 2 dimensions. This is helpful when users need to access a large amount of information at the point of use. Because of this, the MilliSentials Lab Labeling System software offers two ways of entering information into 2D barcodes, by using plain text, as described previously, or by using categories. Categories have an added benefit of standardizing the data entered into 2D barcodes in an easily readable tabular format. Further, when scanned using the recommended barcode scanners, the data will appear in the MilliSentials Lab Labeling System software in the same format as it was entered. To enter information using categories, click on the 2D barcode information drop-down. Choose the proper category identifiers and fill in the category information. Add, delete, or copy additional categories if desired. Before generating the 2D barcode, delete any unused categories. For more details about 2D barcodes, including how they work, when it is best to use them, character counts, and using the categories feature, refer to the full user guide. Ensure the recommended barcode scanners have been installed on your computer according to the manufacturer's instructions. To read a barcode, click on Read Barcode from Home. Barcodes can be read outside of the MilliSentials Lab Labeling System software, but the resulting format may not be ideal or easily readable. Scan the barcode to populate the barcode information text box. Additional scans will continue to add lines to the barcode information text box. Copy the text to be used elsewhere, delete it using Clear All, or use the Add to Label drop-down menu. Add to Label allows users to enter all scanned information into a new barcode on a new label, which will open in the Label workspace. For more information about reading barcodes using the MilliSentials Lab Labeling System software with the recommended barcode scanners, refer to the full user guide. To accommodate the common workflow of aliquoting, or subsampling from a larger vessel, such as a bottle, to smaller vessels, such as tubes, the MilliSentials Lab Labeling System software allows automatic creation and printing of child labels from a parent label using 2D barcodes through MilliSentials Lab features. The process consists of 3 easy steps. Create a parent label. From Home, select MilliSentials Lab Features. Select Aliquot and Create Parent Label. The resulting lab template that opens includes text boxes, a large 2D barcode with information organized as categories, and an icon to denote it as a parent label. Enter information into the text boxes and categories and click Generate 2D. Print and apply the label onto the reagent to be aliquoted at a later date. If desired, the parent label can be saved to My Labels or Shared Labels. When ready to aliquot the reagents, select MilliSentials Lab Features. Select Aliquot and Create Child Label. Enter a numerical value for the total number of aliquots and an alphanumerical value for the volume of each aliquot, and press Save. Once the prompt appears, use a recommended barcode scanner to scan the parent label. Scanning triggers information transfer from the parent label into the child label as a new lab template in the label workspace. Add text into the child label and make edits as needed to the data entered in the categories. The print quantity is automatically populated using the information entered for total number of aliquots. Press Print and apply the labels onto the aliquoted reagents. Save the child labels to My Labels or Shared Labels if desired. For detailed information about the aliquoting workflow and how to best utilize MilliSentials Lab features, refer to the full user guide.